Good morning. Today is Tuesday, August 30th. Please join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. This week we will be introducing the Spartan Pledge, so be ready for that in the very near future. We have a lot of things going on after school today, and I want to make sure that you are aware of all of them. First and foremost, we have open house tonight. Bring your parents to see your school, classrooms, and staff. The doors will be open at 5 p.m. tonight and will be open until 6 p.m. Because of open house, there will be no cross-country practice, but basketball practice does start for 5th grade right after school, and that's for girls only right now. That's all the time we have for today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.